Hi, my name is Alejandra and I'm an associate attorney at U.S. Immigration Law Group. As the holidays approach, many people will be traveling. Our clients often ask us what the risks are and what precautions they should take when doing so. Here are some of the common questions we receive. Number 1, do I need a passport to travel on a plane? It depends. If you're traveling internationally, then you do need a passport. If you're traveling domestically, you might be able to use your driver's license if it's compliant with the Real ID Act. You can check with your state's Department of Motor Vehicles to see if it's compliant. Number 2, I'm a legal permanent resident. What documents do I need to travel outside of the United States? You should carry your green card and your passport. Copies of these documents will not be sufficient to re-enter the United States. Number 3, can I travel if I am undocumented? It depends. You can travel to a different state within the United States, but we do not recommend traveling near the border or near a CBP checkpoint. If you travel outside of the United States while undocumented, you may not be allowed to return if you don't have the proper permit. If you have an immigration case pending and you decide to travel domestically, it might be a good idea to carry copies of your receipt notices, or if you have a court case pending as well. Number 4, I have non-immigrant status. What documents do I need to travel outside of the United States? You should carry your passport and your I-797 approval notice and a copy of that approval notice for the CBP officer. The officer should always return your original approval notice. Number 5, I have DACA. Can I travel outside of the United States? No, at this time, USCIS is not granting advance parole, which is normally needed for anyone with DACA to travel internationally. Also, any advance parole documents that were previously issued by USCIS are no longer valid for travel purposes. Number 6, can I use my work permit to travel? No, your work permit is not a valid proof of status and cannot be used to travel. Some important things to remember. Permanent residents are not guaranteed re-entry even if they have all the necessary documents. You are still subject to immigration review every time you enter. Immigration violations and criminal convictions could affect your admissibility. Everyone, regardless of your status, has rights if they encounter CBP at the border, at a checkpoint, at the airport, or if they board your bus or your train. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to contact your attorney. Never sign anything that you do not understand. Never flee a CBP checkpoint. That is considered a felony. And always stay calm and be courteous to immigration officers. Remember to always keep your immigration attorney's contact information handy. If you have any questions before you travel, please contact our office for a consultation. If you want any more information about traveling during the holidays, please visit our blog at the link below. Happy holidays.